kuya, stop.
We're super excited to have you here today.
Thank you.
Get out of here, you stink.
Later, after this one, we'll go to the roller coaster. I thought this is the roller coaster. This is not.
It takes a lot of Smurfs to make a movie.
This movie's gonna be Smurftastic. It's got Space Smurfs, Jungle Smurfs, and a big musical number.
Everybody has a different job to Smurf.
Hi, I'm Andy Smurf, the camera operator.
Are you watching Smurfs?
Hello, I'm Smurfette. I can definitely see you. Star.
I'm Brainy Smurf, the director.
Mga picture to? Sabi ko sa'yo yung picture.
Azrael, I'm going to be the star of the movie. Brainy Smurf, the director. Lights, camera, we're rolling film, and action!
Hurry! But we tell us what you Smurf do.
I'll be the star of this movie.
Oh, I'm scared. Huh?
Hey, they're not in this scene.
Now later you will watch Smurf in the iPad, okay? You will watch Smurf, let you know what is Smurf, okay?
This time I know one.
We're rolling!
Ang tentacle meat pie.
Hindi tayo nakapasok dito dati.
Hindi, kasi nga. Hindi na kayo nakapasok dito kasi nga ayaw ni Aiden.
Then, do you know before you're scared here?
Because you're still
I
baby.
have to be the star. Then I'll ruin this picture. Look at our guests. They're Smurf.
I said get out.
Put them in the finale.
Okay, Papa, I just have to take care
Why
of
do you say Papa?
Cue the finale!
Saan? Yun lang o sa may mirror.
Next time, I will be the star.
Cardinal helped me discover new stars.
It was great to work with you. Let's do lunch.
We'll see you in the movies.
Oh, it's done. At last.
Welcome to the premiere. It's your big debut.
Stop, let's go.
Bye. Wait lang, wait, kuya.
Let him finish. Let him finish. Then you go.
Pa-picture tayo dito kay kuya.
Nakakasakay na rin dito. Ito yung gusto ko sa
Naumiyak siya. Baby pa kasi siya nung time na yun. Baby pa kasi siya eh. Ayaw na nung madili.
Kasi edad niya si Atlas, mahal.
What was he something I said?
Okay guys, take picture.
Huwag mo kasing pinatakot. Tara na.
take picture.
Ah.
Picture first.
Ayaw nga na.
I don't want.
I'm not very pretty this time. I'm already a starter at the tornado.
Wala. May nag-shortcut. Let's go. Tara na. Ah, yung dito tayo, di ba nakapasok na tayo dito? Hindi talaga tayo pinapasok. Saan tayo yun?
Bakit?
Di ba kasi nga, hindi nga umabot sa ano, sa height requirement si Aiden that time.
Hindi. Pumapasok kayo dito.
Bawal bang camera? No camera.
Kung kaya mahal, kayo lang. May ikot.
What happened?
No, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there.
Okay, come,
Oh,
come.
no, my sock.
That's why I told you.
No, my shoes. My shoes.
It's okay, it's okay. Eh, atlas, Aiden.
I don't ride this roller coaster. I don't ride this roller coaster.
Okay, okay, you want to ride? Okay.
Also, me on the ride.
No, you told me you don't want.
I won now.
Come, you take picture first.
Take picture. Atlas, lalong-lalo na si Atlas, and then Kuya Aiden. Ganda to.
Okay?
Nakakatakot pero masaya. Roller coaster siya na dragon. Ganda. Lumilipad siya, paikot-ikot, tapos hindi naman siya ganun kabilis, sakto lang. Pero nakakatakot. Pero yung mga bagets, naku. Pang ano na namin to? Pang ilang rides
Teka
na
na,
ba to?
siya.
Pang ilang rides na ba to? Pang apat? Tapos na kami mag-ride.
Meron tayong